pumps off, landing lights off, mixtures. Going here. Cool. Keep the sweat down. No AC here. Still raining outside. So the fuel pump's off, landing lights off, mixtures looking at ground taxis, so I can put those on when I'm ready to go. Cessna's going up. Holding short. Alright. Parking brake is set. Doors latched. Locked. Windows closed. Fuel pumps on, landing lights on, mixtures full rich. Parking brake is off. We are on tower. Tower, Cherokee 3133 Quebec, holding short runway 20 at hotel, would like another close traffic.
3133 Quebec, bring your ground, or correction, bring your tower, runway 20, clear for takeoff, make left close traffic, report midfield.
Clear for takeoff on runway 20, make left traffic, report midfield 33 Quebec. Left traffic. Full power. Rotate. Keep this 79 going. We got the VY. We're on runway heading 20, heading 20, 250 feet. $350. $500. That breeze feels nice coming in down here. $600. Getting ready to turn our left crosswind at 750. 750 feet. That's that guy. Left crosswind. And I got to report midfield. Looking at the runway. Some traffic pattern practice. We're at 800. Keep climbing. Getting ready to turn downwind. 950. Turning the downwind here. Make sure I build my speed up. We're at 1,000. A little bit more than 1,000. $2,200. Carrier report midfield. German 2. There we go. We get the 2. I like that. That looks good. I'm happy here. Brainerd Tower, Cherokee 33 Quebec's midfield, full stop.
33 Quebec, you looking for, did you say full stop?
Correct.
33 Quebec, roger. Runway 20, clear to land. Wind is 180 at 9.
Clear to land, runway 2033 Quebec. Alright, we're abeam. Power's going to 1500. 1 notch of flaps. Let's keep the power there. We're at 900. Looking over my left shoulder. We're at 80 knots. Turning my base now. Another notch of flaps. A little bit tighter. I want to look at that building there. Watch my speed. We're at 75. 700. Squared up this building. 600. 70. 550. Where's my pappies? 70.
500.
Here. Pappy says I'm high. This is not a squared final. 180.
300. 200. 100. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard, retard, retard.
Alright, that was just kissing the... Let's turn this.
Quebec right on Charlie, contact going up.
Charlie to ground, 33 Quebec. Flaps is 0. Fuel pumps off, landing lights off. Fixtures lean. Go to ground. Radar ground, Cherokee 3133 Quebec. We're off on Charlie. To taxi back to runway 20 for one more.
Number 310 Quebec, Rainer, ground. Runway 20, taxi via Alpha Hotel.
Runway 20, taxi via Alpha Hotel 33 Quebec.